and welcome to the 5th episode of Ninnys News. Today on Ninnys News, we are going to give you a little demonstration on H2O transfers. We've also got some more poems for you from the poem contest, as well as a few more napkins. So what are H2O transfers? H2O transfers, or sometimes called water slide decals, are basically like a temporary tattoo. And I see a lot of decoupagers on Facebook groups using temporary tattoos for their decoupage. And I don't think a lot of you realize that that's basically what an H2O transfer or a water slide decal is. So just as easy to use, very, very easy to use. And these are the ones from ReDesign with Prima. So that's the H2O transfers. We have a few different designs in stock at ninnysnapkins.com. They don't have any, oh yeah, they do. This one is called Gorgeous Flora. The one we're going to use in our demonstration is called Springtime Peonies. And this one's called Just Labels. But we do have more, so I'll put a link in the description box below to all of our H2O transfers. So this is the one that we've done for our little demo. This is just a little plate that we've painted and added H2O transfer to. But you can also, so that's a painted plate that was painted with Country Chic. You can also put them directly onto glass.
Look at that.
So no painting required, and this was very, very easy, as you're going to see in a minute from our demo. And I hope you can see that really well.
I love it, guys.
Very, very easy. So you can put that on glass. You can put it on virtually anything. Anything that you can get wet. So the one thing they're not good for is your art journaling. Maybe on a good quality mixed media paper, heavy paper that can take a lot of moisture, but not really their intended use. So now we'll give you a little video demonstration. Okay, so I'm going to show you just exactly how easy these H2O transfers are to use. Cut out the one that I want to use. And you can use these straight on glass. You can use them on painted surfaces. You can use them on furniture. And I mean, they are redesigned with Prima, so lots of people think that they're just for furniture, but they can just as easily be used on your smalls, on your glasses, on your jars. It's not quite decoupage, but same idea. Okay, so there, I've got one beautiful flower, and it looks a little bit faint. It's not going to stay looking faint. So as I said, these are H2O transfers, which means water. So we've got a dish of water here, and I've got a sponge. And I want to put it on this plate. This plate has been painted previously with Country Chic all-in-one decor paint, which is clay-based in the color Vanilla Frosting. So the first thing you want to do, the most important thing, is to peel off this shiny backing, I guess. I would think this is on the backing, but peel off this shiny layer. Don't forget to do this, because if you stick it in the water, this transfer is going to stick to this sheet, and that'll be the end of it. I know from experience. So now you just see how it's got the design on the back, so it helps with lining it up. Fantastic idea from Prima. So you're just going to get a little bit wet, and then see, it's already starting to curl. It's a bit wet. That just helps to get it started. Now be careful not to touch the actual design, and then we're going to line it up on our plate. I think I want it right in the middle here. Just press it down, and then we're going to wet our sponge. And now if you're doing this on glass, so straight onto bare glass, this happens really quickly. On a painted surface, it takes a little bit longer for it to, you just want to get it, soak it, and I can already see that it's starting to move. So these are H2O transfers, but some companies, some brands call them water slide decals. And you'll see why, because you're going to slide it off. See, and I didn't even have to wait 2 or 3 minutes. look at that.
That's beautiful.
Isn't that gorgeous? Really bright, vibrant colors, and it really, really looks hand painted. There's no halo around here like you sometimes get with other transfers. It's just stunning. I do have a little bit of a bubble there, so maybe I should have waited a little bit longer. But yeah, when this is dry, you can go ahead and varnish right over top of it to protect it. Of course, we're going to use our polyvine varnish, and we could add more. There's more pieces here, you know. You get lots and lots of different designs in these H2O transfers from ReDesign with Prima. So there you have it. That's how easy it is.
Wow, that was good. That was good. I know what my next project's going to be.
Yeah, absolutely. It's so easy, right? It's so incredibly easy to use. These are, I know we said last time that was the last of the spring napkins, but these were back order. So just 5 designs today, but man, they are definitely worth sharing. So this first one is called Lily Pond. And the colors in these are really bright. They remind me a lot of our Indigenous collection napkins with the really bright, vibrant colors.
I love that.
Okay, the next one, I think this one's going to be really, really popular.
It's going to be sold out before we start.
Yeah, probably. Colorful Magic of Forest. Look at that. Every color of the rainbow in there. That is very, very cool.
Nice.
Yeah. Can't wait to start using that one.
Oh, yeah.
This one is called Italian Countryside.
I was thinking Tuscany, so
yeah.
I'm in the right region, aren't I?
Yeah. Very pretty.
Very.
More bright colors. This one's also going to be really popular. Painted sunflowers. And look at the sky on this one. It's got that awesome sunset. Danielle pointed out when she was photographing them. She said, I really like the sky in this.
And I really like sunflowers.
And the last one is called Hummingbird.
Just by way of a change. Pretty hummingbirds.
Yeah, very cool. Very bright.
That's kind of pastel and watery as well, isn't it?
Yeah, very unique napkin. We don't have anything else like it. So
love them.
Yeah, so those are the 5 new napkins, and they are now available today at ninnysnapkins.com. You can find them if you go look at our new items, and I will leave the description or the link in the description box below for those. So this is week 2 of our poem contest. If you're just joining us today for the first time, we are having a big poem contest. And the prize is first, second, and third prize are 3 different mystery boxes. You can learn more. I'll put the link to those in the description box as well. We have a whole page all on the contest, and you can learn how you can submit and when we're picking a winner. You've still got a few weeks yet to submit your poem, and you can submit more than one. And we've already had a couple of customers who have done that. So yeah, take advantage. Definitely put in as many poems as you like, but you've got better chances of winning.
This is called Ode to Ninnys Napkins from Kathleen. Thank you, Kathleen.
Thank you.
Napkins, rice paper, transfers and more. Oh, the products you have stacked ceiling to floor. Look at all of the goodies, is fun. I love them so much, I will never be done. Your videos are informative and I learn so much. Because I watch them, I now have that touch. Decoupage is stunning and beautiful to see. You're making an artist out of little old me. So glad I found you, you've changed my life. I buy mystery boxes to relieve life's strife. I make crafts and gift them, or I can sell them for sure, in order to make money so I can buy more. You're on YouTube and Facebook so we can all see your products sure fill me with knowledge and glee. Ninnys, we love you, we surely do. This poem was written with love in my heart. You give my love of learning a wonderful start. Well done, Kathleen.
Yeah, very good job, Kathleen. Thank you so much for your submission. So we'll be sending you a coupon code for 10% off your next order at Ninnys, as we will with all of the poems that we're reading today. So I have one here from Judy. Now Judy is part of a group of 3 lovely ladies who come from a few hours away to visit us, and they often come here and spend the whole day. They bring their lunch. They last time they did a drop-in decoupage class, and then they do some shopping afterwards, and it's always a real pleasure to have Judy and Lori and Susie. So this is Judy's poem. Took a road trip to Everett, Ontario one day to see what products Ninnys Napkins had on display. The new store move was still in progress. Even though they apologized, we were still impressed. We were told of their plans and where everything may go, and we wished them well and hoped it was so. An area for napkins, glues, clays, and polyvine, molds, stamps, and transfers from Prima ReDesign. Order a mystery box monthly or once in a while. Rice paper, stencils, brushes, definitely Nicole has compiled. A drop-in section, we could not wait, for then we could come, learn, and create. Exciting, inviting, you definitely will have a blast. Diane is a pleasure. She is sure to make you laugh. Nicole will inspire you, explain, and if you hesitate, she will show you the best way to use the products that you take. So whether you decoupage, paint, journal, or scrapbook, visit Ninnys Napkins. It's definitely worth the look.
Awesome job, Judy.
Yeah, very good, Judy. Thank you very much.
And I've got this one here. This is from Annie. Thank you, Annie.
All the way from Australia.
All the way from Australia. And with a little tongue-in-cheek, we read this, okay? So, have that glue get stuck in my armpit. There's a napkin attached to my thumb. Who stuck a print in the gesso? What I need is a foot up the bum. Silly me, I can get this all done now. I've done it a million times. Well, maybe 100 or 10 or just twice, but this liquid has lethal enzymes. Premium decoupage glue, it read. What could go wrong, my brain thought. It sticks pretty good if I look at my thumb, but was it the right stuff I bought? One thing I got right was the napkins I chose, lovingly sent from our Ninnys. I am getting the hang of this cool napkin art, and the wrinkles show less in the minis. I take off my glasses, it looks smooth as silk, and the colours are vibrant and rich. The problems I'm having are nothing, no fear, just a small and minuscule glitch. And when I imagine a warm Christmas morn with the packages under the tree, they will scream with delight as they open their gifts. All decoupage disasters from me.
Very good. Okay, now our fourth and final poem for today. This one really gave me a laugh. This is a poem from a husband of a crafter.
A husband.
Which I wasn't expecting, so I thought that was quite amusing.
Who was that, John?
This is John.
Awesome.
A tale from a husband of one who loves to craft. Barbecue time, spring in the air on a lovely Sunday aft. The ribs were all gooey, table neatly laid out, but it was when I wiped my face that I received a shout. Not those napkins, they're Ninnys, you know, Nicole and Diane. Those are only for crafting, not the mopping of a man. How could I be so obtuse to choose Ninnys for merely cleaning? Now I see the beautiful art and appreciate their meaning. Nicole, I tell you, they're too beautiful for intended use. So Diane, please send us more, and I'll set the crafter loose. Alas, on this beautiful day I acquiesce, leaving Ninnys napkins alone, as well as the saucy mess. Oh, that was very good. Very good, John. Thank you so much.
That tickled me.
Yeah, and so we will send... Oh, this is Jeanette's husband. Okay, I know Jeanette. Okay, we'll be sending Jeanette 10% off coupon, and everyone else's poems who we've read today.
Yep. Okay, so great job everybody on the poems, and keep them coming. Keep them coming. They're so funny. We're enjoying every second of the ones that we read, honestly.
Yeah, thank you so much for watching, and as I mentioned, everything that we talked about today, the links will be in the description box below. And yeah, you still got a few more weeks to submit your poems, so absolutely keep them coming. And let us know in the comments below what you thought of the poems and the napkins and our product demo of the H20 transfers.
And don't forget, if people are local, what can they do?
Stop in and see us on Wednesdays and Saturdays for drop-in decoupage, 10 a.m. And you can check out our other workshops on the workshop calendar on our website as well. We've got lots of great workshops coming up for the rest of March, and we're starting to put some on for April as well. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you soon.
Bye now.
Bye.